Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Alt Buzz. Today's video is going to blow your mind because we're diving deep into what might be the most exciting camera announcement of 2025, the Nikon Zfc II. Our trusted sources have revealed some incredible details about this upcoming retro-styled powerhouse, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. If you're a fan of the original ZFC, you're in for a treat. The photography community has been buzzing with excitement since rumors of this camera first surfaced, and now we have solid information to share with you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews on Alt Buzz. We're constantly bringing you the freshest updates from the world of photography and technology. Let's start with what's making waves in the photography community. The Nikon Zfc II is shaping up to be a game-changer, featuring a 24.5 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessor's 20.9 megapixels. This isn't just about the numbers, though. Our sources indicate that the new sensor incorporates the latest BSI technology, delivering superior low-light performance and enhanced dynamic range that puts it in a whole new league. One of the most exciting additions is the inclusion of in-body image stabilization. Yes, you heard that right. The ZFC II comes with a 5-axis IBIS system, something the original ZFC owners have been dreaming about. This means incredibly steady shots, whether you're shooting stills or video, even in challenging lighting conditions. The IBIS system is particularly impressive because Nikon has managed to implement it while maintaining the camera's compact form factor. A remarkable engineering achievement. The viewfinder experience has also been significantly enhanced. The new 2.36 million OLED electronic viewfinder features an improved refresh rate and brightness, making it more responsive and natural feeling than ever before. This is particularly noticeable when tracking fast-moving subjects or shooting in bright outdoor conditions, where the original ZFC's viewfinder might have struggled. Speaking of video, videographers are in for a treat. The ZFC II can now shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second using the full sensor width. Compare this to the original ZFC, which was limited to 30 frames per second. For slow-motion enthusiasts, you still get that sweet 1080p at 120 frames per second. But there's more. The new model supports 10-bit internal recording with N-Log and HLG support, giving professional videographers the flexibility they need in post-production. The autofocus system has received a massive upgrade, now featuring 273-point hybrid AF with enhanced eye and subject tracking. This is a significant improvement over the original's 209-point system. In real-world use, this means better tracking for street photography, sports, and wildlife shooting. The new AI-driven subject recognition can now identify and track not just humans and animals, but also vehicles and specific types of wildlife, making it incredibly versatile for different shooting scenarios. The connectivity options have also been dramatically improved. The ZFC II features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, enabling faster file transfers and more stable remote control capabilities. This is particularly important for professional photographers who need to transfer images quickly during events, or for social media content creators who want to share their shots instantly. Let's talk about some practical scenarios where the ZFC II shines. First, imagine you're a street photographer in low-light conditions. The new X-Speed 7 processor, combined with the improved ISO range, delivers stellar results even when shooting at high ISOs. Your nighttime street scenes will maintain incredible detail while keeping noise under control. The improved autofocus system now works effectively even in extremely low-light conditions, down to -4 EV, making it perfect for capturing those moody evening shots. For wedding photographers, the enhanced burst rate of 12 frames per second with full autofocus tracking means you'll never miss those crucial moments. The original ZFC's 11 frames per second was good, but this upgrade gives you that extra edge for capturing perfect timing in dynamic situations. The improved buffer capacity now allows for longer burst sequences, perfect for capturing those unpredictable wedding moments like the bouquet toss or first dance. Portrait photographers will love the enhanced eye detection autofocus, which now works at greater distances and can maintain focus even when subjects briefly turn away from the camera. The improved skin tone rendering and color science make it easier than ever to capture flattering portraits straight out of camera. Landscape photographers haven't been forgotten either. The enhanced dynamic range of the new sensor, combined with the improved IBIS system, means you can capture stunning handheld shots even in challenging lighting conditions. The improved weather sealing makes it more reliable for shooting in adverse conditions, whether you're capturing misty mountain vistas or coastal landscapes. Vloggers will particularly appreciate the new 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen with 1.3 million dots. This is a noticeable upgrade from the original's 3-inch, 1.04 million dot display. Combined with the new dedicated vlog mode and improved stabilization, creating content has never been easier. The new screen also features enhanced brightness and better touch response, making it more usable in bright outdoor conditions. Speaking of content creation, the new dedicated vlog mode includes several thoughtful features: a tally light to indicate recording status, improved directional audio recording with wind noise reduction, and a new vertical video mode optimized for social media content. These additions make the Zfc II a serious contender in the content creator market. The battery life has also seen a significant improvement, now capable of approximately 400 shots per charge compared to the original's 300 shots. This means more time shooting and less time worrying about battery changes during crucial moments. The new USB-C port supports power delivery, allowing you to charge the battery while shooting or quickly top it up between sessions. Looking at the build quality, Nikon has maintained that gorgeous retro aesthetic while improving weather sealing and adding more customizable buttons. The camera remains compact despite the addition of IBIS, making it an ideal travel companion for those who value style and substance. The improved grip design provides better handling with larger lenses, addressing one of the few criticisms of the original model. The customization options have been expanded significantly. You now have more function buttons that can be assigned to your most used settings, and the new custom mode dial allows you to save and quickly access different shooting configurations. This level of customization makes the camera more versatile for different shooting styles and scenarios. Price-wise, our sources suggest the body-only version will retail for around $1,000, with the kit lens option around $1,200 to $1,300. Considering the significant upgrades, this represents excellent value for both newcomers and those looking to upgrade from the original ZFC. Before we wrap up, let me know in the comments, what feature of the Zfc II excites you the most? Are you planning to upgrade from the original ZFC? Which of these improvements do you think will make the biggest difference in your photography? If you found this video helpful, consider showing your support by sending a super thanks or joining our channel membership for exclusive content and perks. As a member, you'll get access to behind-the-scenes content, early access to our videos, and exclusive photography tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep shooting amazing photos.